Right now, yes, Singapore, because I want to use skill, so I choose this. Telegram, let me pay it. The same stages. My Telegram is here. Give me a second. Okay. All right. And also, yes, pre-install. I will choose give me my API key, add. Okay, apply here. I will show skills at the end. Successful? Okay, login. Login. Do you remember that? OpenClaw on board. OpenClaw board. Actually, we can try together if you have computer. Okay, yes. Quick start. Exciting. Oh, skip. And all. Keep current. Telegram. Yes, this time I choose Telegram. We need to enter Telegram bot token. How to get it? Okay, I already opened my Telegram. Let me close my WhatsApp. This is my Telegram. We need to search bot further. Yes, here, this one. We can open here to get, and also we can just from here. Oh, sorry. Just from here, like new bot. Yes, I want a new one. Please choose name. Curious. Telegram. Bot. Is that okay? Yeah, good. Okay. Also the same. Telegram bot. Yeah, congratulations on your new bot. Okay, this is our new API, just copy and paste. And remember, you will find it at this link. Okay, and I will copy the API now. Copy and paste and enter. No. Restart. Okay. Is it easy? Do this later. Enable communication. No. Okay, successful. Let me check. But I will through this link and start. Okay, this one. The parent code, actually, if you are a new user, you will do this. But like WhatsApp, I already try more times, so I don't need. But if you have a new both, you need to have this stage. So for this one, we need to, like here, copy this, and remember your code. Oh, okay. From this, I will contrast it first. And then this one, your Telegram. What is my code? 7H. Yes. How is that? Yeah, okay, successful. We finished it, and now we can communicate with our bot. Hi, bot, are you here? Hi, bot. Are you here? Yeah, it's here. And let me think what to say. I want to travel to Singa. What issues should I be aware of? Yes, I really want to go to Singa. Okay, also we can say typing here. So it is in use. Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, visa, passport. Oh, it's so detailed. Yeah, that's right. And finally, for the skills, we're back to here. Actually, we can find more skills from here, this website. But do you know what does it mean? For example, a website skill can help us find more information, like we link a Google search, or a skill designed for AI to optimize some sentences like this. And we already have one inside this one. And now I choose, I think, how about PowerPoint generator? For skills, we already have one, which is Agent Browser. And this one is built-in search engine. And then I already choose one. How about this one? The PowerPoint generator I found from here in the morning. Let me try it. Install. Oh, 失败了。哦，成功了。Oh my god. Oh, successful. Oh, successful. Okay, here is. And then we don't need to do anything, just come back here. And oh no, not here, here. Yes, this one. Let me check first. Can you find the agent browser and inside? It is typing now. Let me check. Yes, funding. Success. Wonderful. let's check another things like the PowerPoint. If I want it to help me to make a PowerPoint, let me ask. I need a PowerPoint, 5 pages and to show Singapore travel tips, but I want more. Please help me to create one and still should offer single and also I want recommend food. In the press. Yes. If there are some people from Singapore, you can help me to check the accuracy of the bot. Yes, we need to wait because this is indeed a big thing. Okay, typing here. I think at this moment, I want to introduce I want to also introduce the Lighthouse special offers at this moment. We can also state the creator program as well. Here, you can click here to join our Discord community and submit the form to participate in. And also the tutorials. For new users especially, I highly recommend buying from this special offer page because the price here you can see as low as only $1.68. And also there is $10.08 1-year plan. Okay, which is honestly an amazing deal. Okay, let's go back to stay here. PowerPoint. Yes, I already can download it. Okay, so simple, I think. But at least we succeeded. Okay, so for this one, actually, I think we need to give it further introductions for adjustment. And you can try later to show it. Okay, this is all for today. I hope everyone has a great experience. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Korea. That demo was incredibly clear, and those special offers are definitely hard to beat. Guys, make sure you grab the special offer while they are available.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Korea. Thank you very much.